Here comes Tomas on the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go!
Here he goes. Here he goes. Splash! He's going down. Is he gonna hit the pool and keep going? He is stuck. All right. Who's next?
James.
James.
Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon. A dragon? Run away! Ah!
Whoa, check out James. All right, let's see how James is gonna do. Is he gonna hit the pool and keep going? Or is he just gonna get stuck? Let's see. Splash! Whoa, look at the bubbles. Choo-choo! Whoa, he's turning around. He is.
So look at all these trains. So big.
All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna be pushing all these cool Tomas and friend trains, all Tomas and his friends, all into the pool. Check that out, beautiful pool. Zane's gonna be making them go into the pool. And the cool part today is we're gonna see if they're gonna keep going. Are they gonna keep going in the water when they hit the water? Are they gonna keep going and going and going? So it's gonna be fun. Who's first?
Percy.
Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide and surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
See how Percy does. Here she goes. She's hitting the water. She's floating. She hits the pool. She's still going. Look at those bubbles. She's still going. Look at her. Cool. All right. Who's next?
Sandy the Rio.
Sandy.
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on. No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
All right. Here we go. Let's see Sandy. Whoa. There you go. Splash. Whoa. Right into the pool. Who's that?
Kenji.
Kenji.
Wow, Kana, you're almost as fast as me now.
And getting faster every day.
Super cool. Let's see how Kenji does. Here goes Kenji. He hits the water. He's floating. He's going down slowly. Let's see if he hits the pool, if he keeps going. Let's see if he's going to keep going. Oh, he's
Stuck.
He's stuck. All right, who's next?
It's Rainbow Diesel.
Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
So cool. Check out those rainbows and those colors. Here he goes. Whoa, scoop, splash. There he goes. Boom. All right. Who's next?
Oh, he's keeping going.
Oh, he's still going. He's going backwards. Check that out.
Wow.
That's funny. Who's next?
Gordon.
Gordon.
Never fear. Thomas can do it.
I can?
He can? Certainly. Would you fill in for me, Thomas?
Yeah, Thomas, hook up. Well, I wouldn't want anyone missing out on a hayride.
That's the spirit, #1.
Let's see if Gordon's going to keep going when he hits the water. Let's see. He goes. Splash. He's going down. And there he goes. He's stuck. Okay. Who's next?
It's Dirty Thomas.
Oh, look at Tommy's. He's all dirty.
Oops. Looks like I'm gonna be out too. Oh no!
He definitely needs some wood to go in the pool. Let's see if he hits the water and if he's gonna keep going. Whoa, there he goes. He's floating. Hi, Tomas. Tomas is not going down. He's swimming. That is so cool.
Yeah.
All right, who's next?
Thomas.
Oh, we got another Tomas. Look at this Tomas. He's a shiny, cool Tomas.
Thomas, catch! Thanks, guys. Next up, whips. Time for a track attack. Go, Thomas!
Whoa. All right.
Let's see if he can put it to the pool.
All right, here we go. Can Tomas help the other Tomas? They're both floating. Look at that. That's so
They're
cool.
all friends.
They're both swimming.
Mhm.
That's so cool. Both Thomases are both swimming and they're both floating. That's so cool. Who's next?
Bruno.
Bruno.
Detective Bruno, will you help me find out what made Connor leave? Oh yes, of course, Inspector Diesel. Detective Bruno at your service. I can help you figure it out.
Wow. Cool. Here goes Bruno. And splash. Into the water. Cool. All right, who's next?
Color.
Kana. Kana.
When I say go, you said go! I let him make the rules. Otherwise, there's no challenge. See ya! Woo! See you at the finish line!
Let's see if Kana can hit the pool and keep going. Here she goes. Here she goes. Splash! Let's see if she hits the pool and she's going. She's going! She's still going! Look at that! Whoa!
That's what I'm talking about.
That is cool. Look at Kana. She's helping Tomas. Whoa! She's still going. Look at her go! Look at her go! Whoa, with the bubbles. That's so cool. All right. Who's next?
Rainbow Thomas.
Rainbow Tomas. Let's check out Rainbow Tomas.
It's just ahead now, we cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow, whatever will there be. The end of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
Whoa, yeah, check out the rainbow. So cool. All right, here he goes. And boom, right into the water. All the cool bubbles. All the bubbles. Who's next?
The hero.
Hero.
Whoa! Easy, Speedy. Careful on the turns.
Huh? Wow! Phew.
Whoa. Let's check out Hero's aim. Let's see if Hero is going to hit the water and keep going. Here he goes. Here he goes. Splash. He's going down. Is he going to hit the pool and keep going? He is stuck. All right. Who's next?
James.
James.
Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon. A dragon? Run away! Ah!
Whoa, check out James. All right, let's see how James is going to do. Is he going to hit the pool and keep going? Or is he just going to get stuck? Let's see. Splash. Whoa, look at the bubbles. Choo-choo. Whoa, he's turning around. He is trying to go on his side and he's stuck. All right, who's next?
It's Diesel.
Diesel.
Woohoo! Diesel, slow down. We don't want our light bulbs to break.
Nice try, Thomas. You're just trying to trick me so you can win the race.
I don't need tricks to win against you.
Hey, no fair.
All right, let's see how Diesel does. Hi guys, if you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Tomas and friend videos. Here we go. Let's see if Diesel can hit the water and keep going. Let's see it. Let's see it. Splash! He's floating. Diesel's going down. Oh no, he's going down slowly. He's sinking. Let's see if he hits the pool and keeps going. This is gonna be cool. Let's see. He hit the pool. He's actually moving a little bit. He's churning. He's going. He's going. Oh, Diesel's going. Look at that. Look at Diesel. Wow. Diesel's still going. Diesel's still going. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. Who's next?
Muddy Percy.
Muddy Percy.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Yeah, look at her. She's all muddy. All right, she definitely needs the pool. Here she goes. Splash. Right into the pool. Who's next?
It's Thomas.
Thomas. See? All right, Thomas.
Whoa! There's the platform. I made it. Thomas!
Let's see how you do. Let's see if Thomas hits the pool and keeps going or not. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Splash! He is floating. That's so cool. All the Thomases are floating. Who's next?
It's Young Bell.
Young Bao. Check out Young Bao.
Gordon! Gordon!
Huh? Great gear. Thank you, young man.
So cool. All right, let's see Young Bao hit the water and splash right into the pool. All the bubbles. Who's next?
It's Carly.
It's Carly.
Have no fear, Sandy and Carly are here. Electric. Oh, it takes the fastest hook and soda to slow down the fastest engine. Thanks, Carly.
Carly the crane. Let's see if Carly's gonna hit the water and keep going. Let's see it. Here she goes. Here she comes. Boom, splash. She's going in with the bubbles and she hit and she almost, oh, she fell on her side. Who's next?
Muddy Thomas.
Muddy Thomas. Check him out. He's all muddy.
Bye, Thomas. Sorry. Wait. Woohoo! Told you mud was awesome.
It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's why he kept jumping in the...
All right, Thomas, you need the pool. Here he goes. Here he goes. Splash. Whoa. Boink. All right. And who's that?
It's Emily.
Emily.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines, great and small.
All right, let's see how Emily does. Start her back here. Because Emily keep going. She hit the water. Splash. Let's see if she's still gonna go. There she goes. She's going. She's going. She's moving. She's still going. Look how fast she's going. She's going fast. Look at her. Whoa, Emily's going. Whoa. She's still going. Look at Emily go. And look at this, guys. Check this out. Look who made it all the way to the end. Diesel and Kana. So cool. And look at Emily. She's coming. Emily's coming. She's coming. So cool. Hi guys, if you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Thomas and friend videos.
Hi.
Alright, so what we're going to do today is find Thomas and friends on this awesome fun circle with all this awesome rocks. we're gonna try to see which trains we can find.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Who do we have first, Zane?
Thomas.
We've got Thomas.
Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa! I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me.
Oh, that's a dirty Thomas. Cool. All right. Who do we have next, Zane? Who did you find?
So,
Oof, Zane found Diesel.
What's your name, little guy?
Mama.
Okay, I'll call you Wilson. Hello, Wilson. I'm Diesel. Now we're buddies. Next stop, Random Dogs to find your...
Mama.
Not your mama.
Cool. Who else did you find?
Mommy to Percy.
You found Muddy Percy.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Who's that?
Hero.
Hero.
Whoa! Easy, Speedy. Careful on the turns.
Huh?
Phew.
Heroes?
Wow, look at him. Found Hero. Cool. All right. Who else can we find?
Anna.
Found Kana. Check that out.
Oh, the long way.
No problem. Hi, where you been?
Awesome. Who else we can find?
Emily.
Found Emily.
It's a sheep stampede. Gather round, all ye engines great and
Check that out. Who's that, Zane?
Carly.
That's Carly.
Have no fear, Sandy and Carly are here. Electric. Oh, it takes the fastest hook and soda to slow down the fastest engine. Thanks, Carly.
Carly Crane. So cool. Who'd you find, Zane?
Gordon.
Found Gordon.
Who wants to sing Old McCall Had a Farm on the way home?
Me, I do.
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old McCall had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Check out Gordon. All right. We found Bruno.
We're late delivering the light. The boats will be late getting to the docks.
Bruno, are you all right?
Yes, but the schedule will be off for days if we're late to the lighthouse.
Cool. Who's that, Zane?
Kenji.
That's Kenji.
Kenji.
Kana, it's great to see you.
You too. Thank you so much.
It's Kenji. Who's that?
Unbound.
Found Young Bao.
Hey, gears. Thank you, young Val.
So awesome. Who's that on the tip of the rock? Percy.
Delivery left. It's a super special party balloon for Sir Topham Hatt. Look! Oh no! It's getting away! I have to get that back. Come on! Back up! Back up, back up, back up! Go, go, go! I have to get that back! There it is! I got it! I don't got it.
Found Percy. Who's that?
There's Rainbow Diesel.
We've got Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow! Whoa! Look at the colors!
So cool. Who's that?
There's Muddy Thomas.
We found Muddy Thomas.
Bye, Thomas!
Sorry.
Wait!
Told you mud was awesome.
It does feel kind of good on my gears. Oh, that's That's why he kept jumping in the...
Check out all the mud on Thomas. Splash. Who's that?
Sandy the rail steer.
Sandy the Reeler.
It's a good thing we came in time, Kana. Your brake line is broken. I'm adding a temporary patch now, which means it'll only last for a little while. And you'll need to go slower to make sure it stays on.
No time to slow down. With the storm coming, we have to finish the deliveries.
Hi guys, if you're loving the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Thomas and friends. Thank you. Who's that?
It's Rainbow Thomas.
You found Rainbow Thomas?
It's just ahead now, we cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow, whatever will there be.
The end of the rainbow!
Whoa! Look at the colors!
So cool. Who'd you find next?
It's Thomas.
We found Thomas.
Whoa! There's the platform! I made it! Thomas!
Who else we can find, guys?
James.
We found James.
Whoops! This way, knights! Gotcha, James. We're here to rescue you from the dragon float.
Save yourselves and... What?
Dragon captured.
Check out James. Who's up there, Zane? Zane's climbing up to check out who's that.
Thomas.
We found Thomas on top of the rock.
Thomas! Catch!
Thanks, guys. Next up, whips. Time for a track attack.
Go, Thomas!
So awesome. Hi, Thomas. Hi, guys.
Hi. Thomas the train. The automobiles.
All right. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna make these awesome Thomas and friend trains. Go down this awesome fun slide right into the pool of water.
Yeah.
You ready, Zane?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Who's first?
Muddy Percy.
We've got Muddy Percy. Oh.
He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
All right. Okay. Let's see how Muddy Percy does on the slide right into the water. So cool, splash. Fun. All right. Who's that?
Carly.
That's Carly the crane.
All engines go!
Come on, Thomas. These cows aren't gonna haul themselves to McCall's farm. Let's go!
Uh-oh. Wait!
What is it?
A watch.
Whoa, that was cool.
Yeah.
All right. Is she turn on? Let's see. Whoa, she goes by herself. Whoa, check out Carly. She's going by herself. That's so cool. She's coming back. Whoa. That's so awesome. All right, here she comes. So we set her up. Zane's gonna turn her on. She goes right into the water. And is she still going? Nope, she's stuck. Who's next?
It's Young Bell.
That's young Bao.
Gordon! Gordon!
Great gear.
Thank you, young Val.
So cool. Check him out. That's so awesome. Here goes young Bao. Splash right into the pool with the bubbles. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Who's next?
Tana.
That's Kana.
Wow! She is fast.
Does Kana turn on? Whoa, that's so cool. Look at her go. That's so cool. Whoa. She's coming back at you, Zane. That is so cool. All right, let's see how Kana does. She's on the slide. Zane turns her on. She slides right in. Oh, she's still going. Look at her. She's still moving under the water. Look, look, look. Whoa, boink. Who's next?
Sandy the Rail.
Sandy the Railer. Look.
Almost there. There. Hey, Sandy. Whoa. Sandy? Oh, hey, Carly. How are you?
Look at her. She's so cute. Awesome. There she goes. Boom! Splash right into the water. Cool. Bye, Sandy. Who's that?
Tomas.
That's Tomas the train.
All engines go! Whoa! Phew. There's the platform. I made it. Tomas!
So awesome. Does Tomas move? Does Tomas go by himself? Whoa, Tomas, look at him go. He's fast. And he's coming right back to you, Zane. He's coming right back to you. There you go. Put him on the slide. Turns him on, he goes splash right into the water. And is he still going? Whoa, he's stuck. Who's next? Who's
Rainbow
that?
Tomas.
That's Rainbow Tomas.
It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be? The end of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
Check him out. He's so cool. Check out the rainbows on him. Oh yeah, awesome. All right, here he goes. Down the slide, splash right into the water with all the bubbles. So cool. Who's that?
Kenji.
That's Kenji.
Wow, Kana. You're almost as fast as me now.
And getting faster every day.
He's fast also. Watch him go. Whoa, check him out. He's moving. That is so cool. Here he comes back to you, Zane. He's coming back towards you. He's coming right back towards you. There you go. All right, let's check him out. Here we go. Turns him on. Right down the slide. Splash. Right into the water. That's so cool. Whoa, who's that?
Rainbow Diesel.
That's Rainbow Diesel.
End of the rainbow. Whoa! Look at the colors.
So cool. Hello guys. If you're loving the video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Tomas and friends. Thank you. All right, let's check out Rainbow Diesel. Here we go. Whoa, splash right into the water. Who's next? Who's that?
It's James.
That's James.
Must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon. A dragon? Run away! Ah!
All right, can James move all by himself? Let's check it out. Whoa, he does! He's fast! Whoa, right before he falls. He's coming right back to you, Zane. There you go. Cool. Here he goes. Turns him on. Right into the water. Cool. And he's still going. Look at him. Look at him go. And boink. We're right next to Kana. Who's next?
Bruno.
That's Bruno.
We're late delivering the light. The boats will be late getting to the docks.
Bruno, are you all right?
Yes, but the schedule will be off for days if we're late to the lighthouse.
All right. Let's check out Bruno. Here he comes. Right on the slide. Slide down. Boom. Splash. Right next to Rainbow Diesel. Look at him. Cool. Who's that?
It's Hero.
That's Hero.
Whoa! Easy, Speedy. Careful on the turns.
Huh? Phew.
Heroes?
All right. Can Hero go by himself? Check this out. You can turn him on. He's coming. We're gonna spin him back around. He's coming back towards Zane. He's coming back towards Zane. Check that out. All right, Zane's putting him down. Turning him on. Splash! Hero still go? Who's that?
It's Muddy Thomas.
That's Muddy Thomas. Check.
Oops. Looks like I'm gonna be out too. Oh no!
Epic mud plunge.
Check him out. He's all muddy. All right. Okay. Here he goes. He starts up there. He slides down. Boom! Splash right into the water. Who's that?
Percy.
That's Percy.
Somewhere Percy will never find me.
Sorry, but it's hide-end surprise, remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
Percy's so cool. Let's check out Percy. Here he comes. Percy's coming. I'm gonna turn Percy around right back to you, Zane. Percy's coming to Zane. So cool. There it goes. Here goes Percy. Splash. Is Percy still going? Still going. Check that out. Made it right behind James. That was so cool. Hello guys. If you're loving the video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome Zane with Thomas and friends. Thank you.